Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty by Ada here, and today I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful makeup look that you're seeing right here. So if you would like to see how I achieved this makeup look, just keep on watching. If you're new to my channel and you are seeing this face for the first time and you're hearing this voice for the first time, please click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post any new video. You guys are highly welcome to my channel, and you're welcome to stay and watch my videos and learn anything that you can. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back and tuning back in. Okay guys, without much talking, let's just get right into this video. And if you find this video helpful, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section what you think about this makeup look. So do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. If that button is still red, it means you haven't subscribed. Please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done that already, and you will definitely love it here. You're welcome to my channel. So guys, welcome back. So I'm going to be starting off by doing my brows using my Jordana brow pencil and my Morphe angle brush and spoolie. It's the two-sided angle brush and spoolie. I've had this for a while. So I did not speed this up because this part I did not do like the much speeding like I used to do, because I get comments saying I speed up a lot and they don't get to like see what I am doing and all that. And I mean, the aim of this YouTube is to teach people what I am doing, like for them to be able to grab and see whatever I am doing. So that is why I am not speeding this up. But honestly, I was doing that because I did not want the videos to be too long. But then I just have to do this because that is why it is YouTube, where you can upload longer videos, and it's not like Instagram where you can just do a short clip. But here you can upload longer videos, so people would take their time to learn. So forgive me if you feel this video is too long. I just feel like this is what I need to do right now, so I'll be able to carry everybody along and for them to see what I am doing. So after doing my brows, I used my ColourPop concealer. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I use this ColourPop concealer a whole lot. So I use my ColourPop concealer, and I used to say it like, I feel I have so many brow tutorials on my channel. You can go ahead and check them out, check my videos out, and you will see I have so many brow tutorials. But then let me still say it again, I use different shades of concealer. Yeah, this is a ColourPop concealer. I use different shades. I use a lighter shade for my brow bone and my eyelids, and I use a different shade, like a shade a bit more like my skin tone, like my foundation shade, to do the upper parts, so it doesn't get, I don't find it difficult. This is basically for beginners though, like, so you don't find it difficult blending everything in. So for this video I used my foundation to do it, not a concealer. For the upper part I used my foundation. You can use whatever you want to use, but this is what I do. This is just a tip. So I used my foundation for this purpose, and I also used my, what's it called, oh my god, sorry, I can't get my words out. I used my beauty blender. This is the what's it called, Real Technique beauty blender, to blend everything out. So if you're here and you have not subscribed to this channel, you're seeing that red button, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. And also please leave a comment to tell me what you think about this video and the way everything that I explained. Just tell me what you think and where I can improve. Of course, I am here, so please do go ahead and do that. And this is my House of Tara eyeshadow primer. This is a Nigerian brand, so if you want that, I think you will definitely see it. I'll look for it and link it in the description box down below. So I apply that all over my eyelid, and I am using this James Charles palette So as you can see, I am more like patting them down. How do I even call that? What do I even say? How do I say that? So I'm not like just brushing them all over. I'm kind of like, you know, putting them gently, you know, patting them gently on there. So more like packing it on there. So, and by the way, shout out to Beats by Deb. I saw this makeup look on her and I'm like, yeah, she has kind of my skin tone, so why not go ahead and do this? And I really loved it. I was like, yes, I'm going to do this. So I'll leave her what's it called, I'll leave her link in the description box down below. She's also a big YouTuber doing makeup and all that. I just love her tutorials. I love her makeup, so I'm always on her channel watching. So I saw her do this makeup look. I was like, yep, let me do this. I love it. I'll also be tagging her on Instagram. If you don't know, my Instagram is at beautybyada, and I'll be tagging her on my Instagram as well. Hopefully she sees it though. So you can see me trying to blend in those two colors together. So I'm going in with my yellow now for the outer corner of my eye, for the inner corner of my eye. And then I am using the same brush that I used for the orange to do the yellow, because they are more like the same, almost the same color, you know. And then I want it to like transition real good, like for everything to blend real good. So I use more on this side and I turn the orange side, I turn the yellow side. You keep doing it like that until you see that everything is blended in and everything is really good. If everything is really blended. And then this is my Garnier makeup remover or cleanser, whatever you call it. I use that to, with a Q-tips to clean up my eyelid after I am done with my crease. I clean up the eyelid so I don't have any eyeshadow residue or anything there, to make it clean, so that when you're applying your, what is it called, your eyeshadow primer, it doesn't like get to stain it. If you want to, let me say you want to use a white color, it doesn't get to stain the white color, so cleaning up helps it. So just to go ahead, I hope this video is not too long, because I just wanted it to be like a detailed, you know, makeup tutorial where you get to see everything and all the steps. You know, you get to see it step by step. You get to see all the details and everything that I am doing. So I guess this is how we'll be doing it from now on. No more rushing, no more speeding up. Let's just keep doing it so that people can actually learn. People that are not pro, you know, they can also learn. So because this channel is for everybody, beginners, pro it's just for everybody. I believe we all have something to learn from each other, no matter how pro you think you are. We all have something to learn from each other. That is just how life is. So I use this NYX NYS eyeshadow primer, the eyeshadow primer pencil or something. I also got that from Amazon. If you guys are interested in all these things, I'll leave the link in the description box down below so that you can go ahead and grab that. I always get all my makeup stuff from Amazon, so I'm trying to see if I can make that perfect, but I don't know. I'm trying to make that perfect anyways. So I mean, don't beat yourself up. Most times, you know, there are some days like you do your brows and it comes out great, and there are some great days that you do it and you don't even know what the brows is doing. Okay, so that's still fine. Just take your time, do it gently, and it will definitely come out well. So I'm going in with this yellow color from my James Charles palette. So this is basically an eye makeup tutorial. Yeah, an eye makeup tutorial for beginners, for everybody. Like I said, we always have something to learn from each other. No matter how pro you are, no matter how beginner you think you are, we all have something to learn from each other. So that's just how life is. So you can see me just patting that on gently. I'm just taking my time. I am not rushing it or anything. I am just taking my time to do that. So just trying to make sure that it's like popping. You know, you want your eyeshadows to pop, and that's what I am doing. But if you just brush it on and, you know, hurriedly brush it on or do anything, it wouldn't come out nice. So I'm going in with this green color now so I'm placing that right next to my what is it called, right next to my yellow eyeshadow. And now you can see me going back and forth. I am going to be blending that in. I always say this all the time: the key to a good eyeshadow or makeup application is blending. Just keep blending. Yeah, you can see that too. I'm using the same brush, so I'm kind of like interchanging it, turning them back and forth, and using the both shades, like using the green part and also using the yellow part to blend everything so that you don't see that line right there. Oops, I think I covered my yellow or my green, so let's make that come out more and pop. So that is where I keep doing it until I see everything has blended together. So I'm going in with this blue color, and I'm going to be placing that on there as well with another blending brush. You just have to take your time, do not rush it. Honestly, these makeups, when you want to do this, it's not like an everyday makeup or, you know, all this nude simple makeup that you do and then you just rush everything and it still comes out good. You just need to take your time. That's just it. And you guys, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're here now, don't forget to click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you know when next I post any new video. And most importantly, guys, please help my channel grow by sharing this video out to your friends and family if you found it helpful, and also leave your comments and give this video a big thumbs up because that helps my channel a lot and I really do appreciate you all. I'll be going in with this final purple color to blend in everything on the outer corner of my eyes, and you know, that will give it like the kind of, what do they call it, like the kind of smoky kind of thing. Yeah, that really did great. Honestly, look at the eyes. And after that I went on with my Laurio eyeshadow, I went on with my Laurio eyeliner. This is the gel liner, and I also got this from Amazon. If you want that, I can link that in the description box down below, so you can go ahead and pick that up. So I did the same thing for my second eye. You guys should not mind me, I'm being lazy today, that is why I'm talking like that. So guys, I used this is, you know, when I wanted to add some glitter on there, but then I saw this what's it called, I saw this trick on Deets by Deb's makeup tutorial, and I decided to use this. She said to use your what's it called, the brow gel, like to use your brow glue, yeah, your brow glue to do that, your eyelash glue, yeah, to do that. And I tried it, and really, you guys, it worked amazing, and the glitters did not even move at all. Like the glitter stayed on there, and ooh, that was great. Yeah, I tried it out and that was great. So of course I am highlighting my face using my ColourPop concealer, and I am blending in using my Real Technique beauty blender. So now I am going in with my foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 340. So for people who do not know, I always say this: I sometimes highlight my face before my foundation, and I sometimes do my foundation before highlighting my face. So but whichever one you feel will work for you, just go ahead and do that. I just do both. It works for me all the time, both of them. I can just do both. So anybody, just depending on the mood I am in, I can just decide to do whichever one, I want to do. And then I'm going in with this Airspun setting powder. I also got this from Amazon. You guys know Airspun is a real deal right now. Everybody uses it. So this is my e.l.f. contour palette. I'm going to be contouring my nose. And if you've been on this channel, you know I'm not big on contouring and highlighting. I just do it mildly, like I just do it a little bit. I'm not bent on, like I'm not big on the contouring and highlighting thing, so I just do it a little. Then as I am waiting for my setting powder to bake, I'm waiting to bake my face, I am going ahead with my lip liner to line my lips, and I am just going to line my lips and apply my lip gloss because I don't feel like doing any lipstick. The eyes is already popping, so I don't want my lips to be popping as well. I just go ahead to do just a natural lip, apply my lip gloss, line my lips and apply my lip gloss, and it came out beautiful. I know I have this nice lips, so of course it worked. And then after everything, I go in with my Milani powder to blend in everything, the setting and everything. I go in with that Milani powder to blend in everything. And then this is my setting spray. This is the Smashbox setting spray. I've been saying a whole lot about this. I love it. And then I went in with the same Nyx eyeshadow primer to prime the inner corner of my eye, so that the yellow that I am going to apply there will definitely pop, you guys. Yeah, and that made the yellow pop, and I really do love it. Then my blush, after that I go ahead with my Milani Tantastic bronzer, and I apply my bronzer to glow. Boom. So guys, how did you find this look? How am I looking? How is this look? I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did enjoy watching this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and also leave your comments in the comment section down below. Tell me what you think about this video, and tell me the next makeup look you would love to see me do on this channel, and I would definitely do that. I mean, what am I here for? This is what I came here to do, okay? So go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't done that already. Click on the notification bell as well, so that next time when I upload, you get notified when I do so. And please, you're welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell, like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and leave your comments down below on the next makeup look you would love to see. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up, guys, and also don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, because that is so helpful to me. It helps my channel grow. So please do go ahead and share this video, and also subscribe. I would definitely love to have you here. So of course you are welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. I will definitely be seeing you guys in my next video.